Hello. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos. While the EPC boosts the performance, the mild hybrid system helps to improve fuel efficiency. The 48-volt mild hybrid system comprises a belt alternator starter and a lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 10 amps housed in the vehicle floor beneath the luggage compartment. The belt alternator starter is connected to the crankshaft. During deceleration it can recover up to 8 kilowatts of power, which it then stores in the lithium-ion battery. When the driver accelerates again, the belt alternator starter reacts instantly by restarting the engine.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.